All right, guys, this is round one, brand new release for today, 2016 Tier 1 Baseball. Good luck to everybody. Let's see what we got here. 2 autographs, 1 relic per box. Full case. Let's rock and roll. Any randoms I will do at the conclusion of the break. All right, we'll start off with Matt Duffy for the Giants, number to 25. Matt Duffy, gold ink. Oh, wow, that's a nice hit. Dual autograph for the Royals, Alex Gordon, Bo Jackson, 11 of 25. That is sweet. Nice hit, Kevin. And jersey for the Mariners, Kyle Seager, number to 199. That was an excellent start. Okay, I like. Box number 2. I am sleeving as I go, so bear with me. Real nice dual autograph. All right, we got Kyle Seager autograph this time to 249. Prime Performance. Autograph for the Rangers, Luke Jackson. It's a rookie to 299. And jersey Yasmani Tomas for the Diamondbacks. And that is to 199. Next, box number 3. This one's actually got 4 hits in here. All right, to 249, Juan Gonzalez. Goes to the Rangers. Autograph for the Indians. Nice hit. 199, Francisco Lindor. Rookie signatures. Jersey, Kurt Suzuki for the Minnesota Twins to 199. And jersey for the Cardinals, Carlos Martinez, number to 25. 3-piece jersey. So bonus hit in that box. All right, next up, box number 4. No randoms to do yet. All right. Jimmy Paredes for the Baltimore Orioles to 249. Autograph of Ketel Marte for the Mariners to 299. And jersey Dallas Keuchel for the Astros, number to 199. Come on, Tier 1. Pick up a little bit for us, please. We started off really good. Next. Oh, I see a good name on the back here. That's a nice piece. 17 of 25 for the Atlanta Braves. Gold ink autograph of Tom Glavine. That's nice. Autograph, Eduardo Rodriguez. There's the Red Sox to 299. And bat piece, Mike Trout, 199 for the Angels. Box number 6. Oh, I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Haven't seen any redemptions yet. I guess that's a positive. All right, Troy Tulowitzki, numbered 8 of 10 for the Blue Jays. For the Nationals, Trey Turner, to 249. And bat piece Joey Votto for the Cincinnati Reds. And that's numbered to 199. All right, next. Looks like kind of a fatty. I think we got a patch in this one. All right. Fernando Valenzuela for the Dodgers, number to 25. It is a patch. For the Astros, 3-color to 149, Dallas Keuchel. And Michael Pineda for the New York Yankees, number to 50, dual jersey, 2 pinstripes. Next up, Chase Headley to 249, Yankees. Autograph of Devin Travis for the Blue Jays to 299. And Robbie Cano for the Mariners, single jersey to 369. Kind of odd numbering on that. Okay. Next. This one feels super thin. Looks like we got a redemption in here. Redemption coming up. All right, Starling Marte for the Pirates to 249. And then we got congratulations. Breakout autograph of Kenta Maeda. That is Dodgers, I do believe. I say right there. And Travis d'Arnaud, jersey for the Mets, number to 399. The Dodgers, it's a nice piece. That's going to do very well. Yeah, I agree. I think so. Alright, autograph. Wow. Brett Boone got crazy with that signature to $2.99 for the Mariners. Autograph. Another Matt Duffy to $2.99. Giants. And Colton Wong for the Cardinals, number to 199 jersey. All right, down to 2. Oh, we got ourselves a fatty, guys. That is a fatty and a half. Fatty and a half, yeah. Oh, wow. Well, Bounty's been hit. Bounty has been hit. To 25. Angels autograph. Rod Carew. Rod Carew. That was fast. Chicago Cubs autograph. Carl Edwards Jr. to 299. Dual jersey, Paul Goldschmidt to 50. There's the Diamondbacks, and who's got this team? Henrock for the Cincinnati Reds. 1/1 bat knob, Barry Larkin. Awesome hit, man. That's a great piece. Congratulations. Sick. Awesome, man. All right, in our last box. All right, this is a Tier 1 autograph for the Atlanta Braves. 26/50, Chipper Jones. Nice piece there. Matt Shoemaker. Goes to the Angels to 299. Jersey, Ichiro to 199 for the Marlins. And finish up, oh, that's cool, Rick Farrell. Boston Red Sox, little old school Legends bat piece to 75. All right, very cool. Guys, I've got a $50 Blowout TV credit I'm going to be issuing here shortly. Everybody who participated in this is eligible. Appreciate it, guys. And again, I'll show this bad boy off. One case, one knob so far, Mr. Larkin. Congrats again to Henrock. Appreciate it, guys.